Welcome. In this video I will show you how to play videos from USB flash drive on your Xiaomi TV. So of course insert your USB flash drive into your computer, and before you upload any files on it, let's first format it into one of the two formats, either FAT32 or exFAT. This is not necessary, as most modern Xiaomi TVs will format your USB flash drive automatically, but just to make sure that the TV reads your USB flash drive well, let's quickly do this. Right click your USB flash drive in the File Explorer, select Format, and then in File System menu select either FAT32 or exFAT, depending on which one is supported by your USB flash drive. In my case, the FAT32 is the default one, so I'm gonna select it. Also check the Quick Format checkbox and click Start. This operation will take a couple of seconds. And right after that, let's upload the video on our USB flash drive. So let me grab the video, let me copy it, and let me go back to this PC. Let's paste this USB flash, let's paste this file in here, and after that let's switch to our TV and of course remove your USB flash drive from your computer. Now at this point we're gonna have to insert our USB flash drive into the TV. Now I cannot tell you exactly where your USB port, type A port is. In my case, it's on the left side of the TV, behind the left edge, actually on the back cover of the TV. It's located right beneath the HDMI port. So I'm not sure if it's like this for you. It may be on the right side of your TV in your case, or maybe somewhere in the middle on the back side, but it's most probably on the back side of your TV. So just insert your USB flash drive into your TV, and after that let's turn it on. Now no matter which operational system your TV uses, it can be the Patchwall, the standard OS, it can be the Fire OS like in my case, so the Amazon OS. Either way you have to go to Inputs, and in Inputs select the Media Player. Now find your video on your USB flash drive and just select it to start playing it. And so that's basically how you do it. That's simple. Once you finished watching your videos, you can remove you can eject your USB flash drive from your TV anytime. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.